Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off reminders, reminder sounds, and output. This should be a quick and simple process, so just follow along with each step as I show you what to do. First, go ahead and click on File in the top menu. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left and click on Options. After that, a new window will open. From there, click on Advanced. Then scroll down until you see the section labeled Reminders. It should be somewhere around the middle of the list. Now, once you've found it, go ahead and uncheck Show Reminders, and if you'd like to turn off the reminder sound as well, uncheck the box right below it. After that, just click OK to save your changes, and you should be all set. So that's how you turn off reminders, reminder sounds, and output. I hope this helped. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.